Hey guys, wait. Hey guys, it's Hamster Jam. Okay, so somebody recommended me to do this. I'll put the comment on the screen. I forgot what the name was, but I'm gonna shout out to them. I might go back to see it because they gave me this idea, and I was like, that's actually a super good idea. So yeah, I'm gonna do it. The idea, it was making Adopt Me pet. So I'm just gonna make a base out of this Fimo Soft. First you gotta, so I'll also do it two ways so you can do it both ways. So just look up a picture of whatever character you're making. Okay, I can wait. I can't wait because this takes quite a long time to get out. Because this is Fimo Soft, not Fimo Kids. And then once you got that, you take a little bit of it, like I'll say this much or at least. Then, wait, no, you most likely will need more. It depends on how big you want it to be. So we're just gonna make a regular character, like a regular pet. So we got the little head. Right here's a pretty good size. Then if you want to add like a little nose to it, like how it would look, you just do this to it a little bit. Then boom, you got the head. You can add like little eyes with, let's say you got some black clay like right here. You just cut little pieces out to make tiny little eyes. Then you add it to these characters, just like that. I would say to do this because if you use super glue to put them on, it's a little hard. Then add any of the details like some ears. You shape this into like the shape of an ear, just like this. Got an ear, you can put it on. You're gonna have to make both of them. Then if you also want to make hair like for a unicorn or for a horse, you can get this. You can go like that, and then boom, you got little hair for a horse. It looks like this in case you're wondering. And then you're gonna have to get to the body. So we get this, some more clay. Geez, this clay is quite hard, or I'm just weak. You get some the clay, you make it into this shape, like an oval. Then you get the head, you put it on, or just a little bit too big. Make it into a circle, do this, and then you do this like this, and then boom, you got the little body. Then you can add a tail to it, like that. Or if you're gonna make a dragon, you could get this, shape it like this, and or something like that. However the wing looks, I'm just doing the little easy route because I don't want to be here all day. Actually, I can be here all day, but my phone's gonna run out of battery. How much is that? And my phone, of course, doesn't show me. 4%. So yeah, you can just make the wing right here. Let me try to have the camera focus. You're gonna have to make both of them. Then you can also use it to make the tail. You just, to make it like smooth it out onto it, you go like this, and then you add it. So yeah, just do that. Oh, well, sorry, I'm extremely sorry. This thing is very not that sturdy. And then after you add all your details, you're gonna have to add some of the feet to it. If you have a super glue or hot glue, you can just keep these two pieces apart. But if you don't have anything that can glue, you can do this. I would say to super glue it, but if you don't have any of that, it's okay. Then you're gonna have to make the little feet. So you get a little, wait, let me try to shape it, ball like this. Oh, there goes my dog. Something banged on our door. My sister most likely fell off something. Hopefully she's okay. Then you get the tiny little feet like this. Oh, was that on the door? That's kind of freaky. You can get that, but I'll say to do it like this. Then boom, you got the little feet to super glue, or just keep them on there. But it would get flat and then turn out like something like this. So I won't recommend that. But if you don't have that. And then, sorry for my dog barking. Something just fell, but I'm not sure what just fell. And now I'm kind of scared. And then I think that's, what else would I need? Okay. that's basically it. If I really think about it, get the head. You get. I always forgot all the pieces. I always forgot all the pieces to it, and I'm also hitting this over and over again. So then you just add this to this, just like this. Sorry, this is right here. I thought this was the body. Add this right there. Add all the tiny little pieces to it. How much percent is my phone at? 3%. Then you put it in the microwave or the oven. Wait, what is it called? Keep on forgetting, but it's right behind me. What is it called? I think it's the oven. You have to bake it for 30 minutes if you're using Fimo soft like me. And then once you take it out, you can add all the details. You can use like a pen to color in the ears. Wait, can't really see it. Use a pen to color in the ears. Or you can just make like this and then paint it afterwards. I did that and they turned out extremely good. If you want to make like a penguin, you can make a body like this. Then you can paint over that part, and then you can make the little feet that look like this. So yeah, and then like a neck for like a flamingo can look like this or something. And the body can go right here. So yeah, then you just gotta bake it. Put all the extra pieces on it, and yeah, that's basically all I can think of that would really help to make one of these things. So yeah, I'm not gonna bake it because I want to save this clone inside of the big Target bag I have, and there's tons of little plastic bags for each one so all the colors don't get mixed. And that's really all I want to say. See you guys in the next video. Also, thank you guys so much for 66 subscribers. I've never thought I could hit like 100 subscribers, just 100. But you guys are making it possible, and it really just warms my heart to know that some people look at my content and think it's good. Wait, this thing's been sideways the whole time. I'm extremely sorry. But I never thought that I could become like 100 subscriber YouTube channel. I know it's not that much, but I'm still super happy to have this many people who just watch my channel and like, yeah, that's good. But yeah, all I can say is thank you. Also shout out to the person who wrote that comment to give me this video idea. You know what? Let's go see what the person's name was.